How to manage watch history in YouTube Kids. Here's how to do it on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the YouTube Kids app on your phone. Tap the setting icon in the top right corner. Complete the parent verification by entering your parent passcode or solving the verification challenge. Select your child's profile. Then enter the Google password and tap on Next. Scroll down to the History section. From here, you can view your child's clear history, clear the history, or clear the search history, depending on your version of the app. To remove the watch history, tap Clear History, then tap OK to confirm. If you'd rather stop YouTube Kids from using watch history for recommendations, turn off watch history if that option is available in your app version. Your changes are saved automatically and will help you manage your child's viewing activity and recommendations. And that's it. You've successfully managed the watch history in YouTube Kids. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.